Hello, this is Michael McMahon, lecturer in computing at WIT. The following videos are for students in the BSc Multimedia and the BSc Creative Computing who are taking the module 3D Animation. The videos are designed to help you complete assignment 2, and so any queries, please contact me using the email shown here.
We'll look at the blend shapes then for the project. And the blend shapes are really just a matter of setting up some basic face mouth shapes for your character. Now, obviously you could look at it in many different ways, but in the notes, okay, you'll find it here under lip syncing Maya blend shapes. Just have a look at that file, open it up, and this is probably the easiest guide to follow. Okay, there's your heads. We're going to create a closed mouth one, which we already have by default. Then we're going to have an open mouth, a wide mouth, and a narrow mouth. Okay, and then just work down through that. I would say stick with this tutorial. It's the easiest one, quickest one, and one that's going to give you the best results. So I'm going to just work on the open mouth example first. And if I go straight to this example here, okay, I'm just going to call it in the outliner window open, okay, like that, so that I know which one I'm working on, and I can get started straight away then on that. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, basically you go into vertex mode, okay, make sure over here that you have soft selection turned on. Okay, that just makes life a lot easier whenever you're trying to create content, trying to create mouth shapes. The influencing of soft select is very important. Now, if I look again at the shape, it's kind of a wide circular shape, mouth open. So that's the kind of effect I'm going for. So I'm going to start straight away with a general shift select across the mouth here at various points, and I'm just going to use that as a starting point. Okay, I'll do the same again, maybe there. Now sometimes it's useful just to use the rotate tool while you're here alongside the move tool, so take that out and then rotate that and move it out again. Just gives you a bit more freedom. And I'll move to the upper lip, shift select and move it up. Now I can move to the sides, which does influence quite a bit on this particular part, and a bit over to that side, and I'm just going to use the scale tool to move that a little bit wider. And then back here to the bottom of the lip, bottom lip section, and just stick with the move tool really here. Okay. You can be as extreme as you want on this. You don't have to be too extreme because the joint system over here is also going to be very effective for creating an open mouth, so we don't have to be too exact. I know we're looking at that shape, but you don't have to be too exact with it. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it, maybe improve it slightly, a bit more here, starting there. Let's pull it down a little bit further maybe, just to finish with it. Okay, pull out from it, turn it off, and I'll show it to you, the finished head. Okay, not too bad, could pull it out a bit more, compare it to this, Could be a bit better on the upper lip, but it's not too bad.